Hi guys, welcome back to our factoring review example 1. So here's my factoring problem. The first thing I always check for is a GCF. I see that I have a GCF of 2. I can factor out of each term. That's going to leave x to the 4th minus 16. Now there I have 2 terms, so I have to see if it's squares or cubes. Well, anything that's an even power is a square. So I know this is x squared squared minus 4 squared. So this is a difference of squares, a square minus a square. So therefore, it's going to factor to be x squared minus 4 times x squared plus 4. So now each of these are 2 terms. This one right here is another difference of squares because remember 4 is 2 squared. So this is going to be 2x minus 2, x plus 2. X squared plus 4 is a square plus a square, which we cannot factor. And that would be my answer. Factored completely. So now here in part B, I have another binomial, 2 terms, that has a GCF. But I notice that my leading coefficient is negative. So whenever your leading coefficient is negative, it's very helpful to factor out a negative GCF. So I'm going to factor out a negative 2 from each of these. Negative 2, and that's going to leave x squared minus 9. Since I factored out that negative, that's why this became a minus from a plus. So now here, this is another difference of squares. Negative 2 times x plus 3, x minus 3. Notice these can be switched around as long as you're using the correct pattern. Let's move on to the next example.